Please like, share, and subscribe. And if you want full course for any actuarial subject, visit theactuarialguy.com or WhatsApp on this number. Thank you.
Who is a quant? Quantitative finance is a very exploited sort of word, but who is a quant? Quant in the finance industry is anyone who uses stochastic calculus particularly and time series modeling to conceptualize, build, or validate financial models, right? So the must is that they have to use stochastic calculus that we study in CM2 and time series modeling, or either one of them, to build financial models. And the roles that are quantitative finance kind of roles generally come by the name of market risk modeling, credit risk modeling, right? These are basically building models for derivative sort of contracts or credit risk situations, right? And then there are roles for model risk management, which is a role for validating the models that other people have built, right? So that's the quantitative finance niche. Now, how do you go to quantitative finance? The paths again are very similar that I showed you for data science. Either you qualify as a fellow actuary and you work initially in banking or investments, and then you move to a quantitative finance role, right? These two people have done it. I'll quickly show you their profiles. I hope they are visible now. So I saw Parshwa's profile today itself. He used to be an actuarial person, so he is a fellow, and he's worked in a lot in banking. So Basel 2, Basel 3, all of this is banking stuff, right? So he was working in banking actuarial practice with Deloitte, and then now he's moved to BlackRock, which is a private equity, right? So he's doing applied risk and performance quant, right? So he's a core quant guy now, right? Similarly, Prerna, I think she's doing it within an insurance sort of context with WTW. Again, she's an FII. She also did her CFA, but yeah, this is how you can go about it. The other path, again, very similar. You pass some core principle exam, you do a quantitative finance or an economics degree, then you go to Quant Finance role. You can do it in India or abroad. These two guys have done it. They are good friends of mine. Harmeet did it, I think, from Dublin. Again, he's working in BlackRock. He used to teach with us as well at some point when I was working with this coaching institute. So he did couple of exams. He's done all of these exams. He's done quite a few, right? And then he went on to do his master's in quantitative finance, right? And then finally he just landed a quant role. Similarly, Manu did it, and I'll show you that guy. Wait. Right, he did his masters from India, ISI. He did quantitative economics, MSQE there, and then now he's working with UBS. He has a MRM role, which is model risk management, which is what I was telling you about here, model risk management, right? So that's how you can actually go to a quant finance role. You can either venture early after a couple of exams, doing a master's degree, bridging that gap, or you qualify as a fellow and then you move.